Good morning, everybody. This is Michelle with Creative Operation, and I have some really fun little projects I wanted to share with you today. I saw a video, and the lady's name is Steph Howells of Hilltop View Journals, and I saw her Instagram post first, and I went to her channel. She has some great videos, so go check her out. But the one that I watched in particular was called Speedy and Simple Hidden Paper Clips, and I had to try it because I really love making paper clips. I've done several. There's lots of different tutorials out there, but this is kind of a different take on them. And it is a great video, so you got to go check it out. So the first one that I made was this cute Christmas one. I had a lot of my Christmas stuff out because I've been working on some projects. And these are, this is a variety of different pieces by Simple Stories. So there's like, I think 3 or 4 different collections in here from little bits and pieces that I've saved from previous projects. And so I made this paper clip. So it's a hidden paper clip. You can see that it is open and it goes over the top of the page, and it has a variety of different pockets the way that this is put together. So I added a little tuck pocket here and then put in some ticket pieces. So I have those little pieces, and then I have this little candy cane here, little die cut here, and then here's a pocket here. Then there is a pocket here, and I took one of the pieces of ephemera, I can't talk today, and just folded it and tucked it in. And you can see that there is a piece of paper back here because that also creates a pocket up here. And then I put in another of the tickets. Okay, then on the same side, there is a pocket behind all of this. So you can put in even more different little pieces of ephemera all in that one spot. Okay, then when you turn it over, you have the same thing. Now I actually this is the way she showed how to do it, with a top pocket here and then here. So here is the actual base of the paper clip, and then this is the add-on little pocket that she did. I glued it wrong and glued it this way, so I ended up with a pocket in the front here and then a pocket behind that as well. So you could do it both ways, it doesn't really matter. I did add another little pocket down here, put in a couple little bits there, and then here is the top pocket there. And just a super cute little paper clip. So this is what it looks like without all the bits and pieces put in. And it's adorable. And I used scraps for it, was able to kind of get rid of some of those, and I'm gonna make some more. But again, it's a hidden paper clip. It just fits over the top of the page, sticks up a little bit at the top because the clips are underneath there. And in her video, she shows you exactly how to do it. So then when I got done with that, I was thinking, well, I had this amazing kit from Your Creative Studio, and this was the last kit that I had received, and I did an unboxing video, and I hadn't used it, and I thought, well, this would be perfect to go into my junk journals. So it is a beautiful floral collection. I did go through and show you all of this, but like there's all kinds of different things here. Like these are stickers that are different writings and postcards and things like that. It had artist papers in here. There are tags. I used a lot of these in my paper clips. I'm going to show you that in a minute, but there's lots of these little tags. There's washi pieces here that were different floral patterns. Also in here were some worn pages, so lots of different papers in here. And then of course the giant artist papers that come in here. So I used up kind of the thicker papers to make the paper clip bases, and I'll show you what I ended up coming up with, and they turned out really cute. So the first 2 that I made are the same type of style as this Christmas one here. The pages are a little bit more narrow, or the clips are more narrow because the papers were more narrow, so I just cut them in half and did that. And then I actually, I did redo the pocket sizes, obviously, to make it fit. But I have this one here, and there's the stamp stickers in here. The only thing that I did add were some Tim Holtz like word stickers, and then I added some 49 and Market stitching rub-ons that I had in my stash. So in this one here, in this pocket on the side, I took one of those little pieces of sticker and I put it on a piece of artisan cardstock from Country Craft Creations, and then just made a little postcard piece. And then this little piece here was one of the artist papers. I just folded it in half and made a little booklet, and then I added some of the stickers on the front for that. And then in the top here is one of the small artist papers, and then I just folded it and created a skinny tag. And then in this pocket, one of those tags that I showed you that came in the little box there. These are nice and thick. They're really nice. And then on the other side here, another one of the stickers from my stash and another rub-on. In the pocket, I just put one of the postcards, just really cute here. And then in here, one of the artist papers that I just cut in half and made a nice tall skinny tag. And then this one here is one of the washi strips from that really skinny pad that I put on a piece of cardstock and then made a tag out of that. And so that'll tuck in that top pocket there, and then you have this tag right here. So I created that one, and then I made this one. So I did two of those since it took 3 of the papers from the collection to create these, and then all the bits and pieces that I put. So this one here, little sticker here, some more of the rub-on, and then one of the word stickers, and then another postcard. I just thought this would be really beautiful in any junk journal that I made coming up in the future. Again, one of the washi stickers that I used and created just a really tall skinny tag. Here is one of the papers there folded in half, and then here is a tag. Okay, so there's that side, and then this side here, beautiful dragonfly, little bit of rub-on, a sticker, and then in here I created another little booklet out of the little skinny paper here, so you can have a little journaling spot, and then another one of the postcards, and then again a tag and another tag. And on these I decided to use my envelope punch on all of the pocket pieces, so it not only helped with getting the tags in and out, but also showed off the paper underneath a little bit better. So I did use the notch from my envelope punch board. I did ink everything with my distress ink, so I did do that. And then I decided to make another one, and this one is a side paper clip, and I did use her same tutorial. I just did it from the side. I folded the papers instead of cutting them in half lengthwise and using them to create these. I used the paper and I folded it in half to make a big paper clip. So it's a lot bigger, and then I used 3 clips in here to help secure it on the page when I get it into the book. But I did the same concept. So on this one here, so it'll go over the page. Here is the clip part. I have a pocket here, and then these were journaling cards that came in the kit, and they were quite large, and they were quite sturdy. I'll show you those. Those came in this particular package. Really nice journaling cards. So I just kind of cut them down just a wee bit, and I rounded the corners and inked them, and then those fit in the pocket perfectly, so you can either fit them in this way or this way, however you want it. And then I used them to create the pocket on the top, cut it down a little bit, and then put another one in here. So I used a lot of the journaling cards on this one because it is a lot bigger. Added an extra pocket. This was one of the papers that came in the Worn Pages pack, and I just folded it on itself to kind of thicken it up a little bit and create a pocket there. And then I used my punch again. I did use some of the stickers, and then I used rub-ons on this as well. And then in this front pocket here, I created a little teeny tiny tag out of the washi tape, and this tag came from my stash, so that's why it's so little, and I put a little twine. This one here is one of the stickers that came in the collection, and I just put it on a piece of cardstock and then inked it, and then 2 of the little tags here that go in this pocket. And then behind this pocket is a piece of the artisan, or 2 pieces of artisan paper that I just, from the Worn Pages pack. and I just backed them on each other and then cut it down and created a tag that will, you know, tuck right in there. They are a little thin, but they do go in nicely. I think if I do it next time, I will put some cardstock or another piece of paper in between those just to stiffen it up a little bit, but that's that side. Then when you turn it over, you have kind of the same thing. So you have a pocket here for a journal card, and then you have a journal card here, and this one again I did cut down so that it fit into the little pocket here, and I used the journal cards to create this pocket. Did a little of the stitching, a sticker here, and then one of the little stamp stickers, and then this is another one of those washi tape kind of stickers here that I put on, and then another tag in the top. So it made a nice big pocket and paper clip for your journals. So I thought that was kind of fun to do with a different size. So I fit all of that stuff in here. So that is kind of what I wanted to show you. Let me go ahead and I'll just put it back together so you can see. And this is a really fun way to use up lots of stuff. Utilize lots of little bits and pieces, and like with the Christmas one here, I was able to use up a lot of scraps. So I thought this was fun to do and kind of relaxing. I was watching a TV show while I was doing it, and you can put these in any way you want. So if they stick out or not, doesn't matter. Yeah, so that's my kind of share. So I want you to go check out your creative studio, definitely, for this amazing paper collection. And then there's so many more pieces and papers that they have in so many more kits. I've used a lot of them and just love them. And they have all kinds of different themes, and you can get a subscription box and all kinds of stuff. So I thought that was fun. So these are all by Your Creative Studio here. And then I had my kind of first one that I made with my bits and pieces that I had left over from multiple Simple Stories Christmas stuff. So you can do all kinds of different things with this. And yeah, I had a lot of fun doing it. So this stuff goes in here because as I said, I did goof up and I put the pockets on. Well, I guess it wasn't really a goof up because, you know, you can do whatever you want, right? It's your project. If you want to make a side pocket instead of a top pocket, you can go right ahead and do that. So I put Santa Claus in that big pocket here that I created. And then I've got this little piece here and my little pocket up front. I like that for the little teeny tiny bits and pieces that you can tuck in. So that's my hidden paperclip share. Go check out Steph Howell's tutorial. That's where I got the tutorial. And go check out Your Creative Studio for some beautiful products for your junk journals. And I will see you again soon with more really fun things and some fun shares and tutorials and all the things. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.